Instacart's an app where whether you're disabled or busy or lazy or pretty much any reason you want someone else to go run your errands, you can have them do it. Someone like me will do the shopping for you and deliver it directly to your house. They sent me a promotion where if I do 4 measly batches, they'll guarantee that I make $62. So basically, I get about $15 per batch. It is 6:48 a.m. I'm at Publix. I chose Publix because I can't afford to shop here, which I feel like means that people tip a little bit better. I'm gonna go ahead online. It does not open for another 11 minutes. All right, well, I actually already got one. It's Food Lion, $25 for 71 items. I want the tiniest batches I can get possibly. Like if I can get one item and it's even just like a $4 batch, that gets bumped up to $15 after I complete 4. But I've heard that you should really just do it on weekends. Most people, they're gonna have the day off. They don't wanna go shopping. But this promotion ends this week and I also won't be available this weekend, so I'm doing it Tuesday. So like this area, while a bit out of the way, it's more residential. There's a lot more houses around versus like businesses or just downtown or something. And it's also recommended to be the first person at grocery stores so that you can get those first batches that come in during the day. So I just gotta be patient. I'm not a patient person. We just gotta wait. Another one came in, $18 for Food Lion again. I guess there's a Food Lion nearby. 40 items. So I'm hoping to get batches that are like literally $9. Wish me luck, even though you're from the future and you can't wish me luck. But it is 6:59. Publix opens in 1 minute, and I know it's wishful thinking, but hopefully we'll get just flooded with orders in a minute. All right, that's 7. Let's see if anything comes in. Okay, we might be here for a minute. All right, it's happening. We got 2 orders, but wow, I don't want either of these. But yeah, there's no point in taking anything over $15 because then I might as well not even be doing the guaranteed promotion. So what? Also, people already took them. They're actually getting taken. My goal was to finish this promotion in less than 2 hours, so we'll see. Oh, got another one. $40 for 3 shop and delivers at this Publix. 42 units. Honestly, I actually like that offer, but it's not going to help me towards my goal. Yeah, I think I would probably do that if I wasn't doing the promotion. It's been 20 minutes and I have not received any more batches. It's actually recommending that I move to a different store. I used to get these offers that were like 1 item too. Like someone gets a bottle of wine, a thing of roses, and a chocolate. Or they forgot something for dinner, just like a bag of cheese. So I'm wondering if doing the morning was actually a mistake because people are just getting all their groceries delivered instead of 1 or 2 items. I'm trying to think where I could go that someone's just gonna get 1 thing. In the first video I did a Staples. They needed a mouse. And so that was like perfect. So the grocery store I'm at has no bubble around it, which is like how poppin' it is. So see, like I've got nothing. The Publix, like way across town is poppin'. This Publix is an hour away. Oh, we got another Food Lion. $17 for 37 items, $20 for 52 items. I mean, eventually someone's gonna order something from here, but I've been waiting for 30 minutes. And if I really dedicated myself to Instacart, I bet I could get pretty good. Oh, we got one from Oh, I'm not at Lowe's Foods. I shop at Lowe's for groceries, which yes, it's a different Lowe's, but kind of the same. It's 2 different Lowe's. $11 for 5 items. Okay, we're gonna do the Lowe's one. A $5 tip. Oh, I wonder if the tip does not... Okay, we're gonna take this. We're gonna go to Lowe's. It's like 10 minutes away. So this is a $6 base pay plus a $5 tip. If the tip is not included in the promotion, which it really shouldn't be, it would be very dirty of them. Like they'd be actually assholes to include the tip in the promo. So that should mean a decent amount of money for this. All right, let's go to Lowe's. No, not Lowe's Hardware, Lowe's Foods. Basically, Lowe's Hardware was started in North Carolina around the same time that they started Lowe's Foods, but Lowe's Foods never took off. So I like Lowe's Foods though. Okay, I'm 15 minutes away from this Lowe's. All right, I'm hyped. This is epic. I'm actually excited. I like to mix it up. It's just 5 items. I know where everything is in Lowe's, so we should be good. I was literally just at Lowe's earlier today, or yesterday. Well, I was up, yes. I haven't slept. Boom, got my card. Let's go. Okay, start shopping. They're getting white. This is such a weird order. They're getting breakfast burritos, ice cream drumsticks, White Claw. Okay, I think I know where all this is. So it is timing me. My goal was 11 minutes, 5 seconds, and I'm already 1 minute into this. I think those little cheese things are right around here. Hey, yo, is this cheese thing? Wrong item scanned. Okay, it looks like they're out of the cheese that they want. This is not off to a great start. Doing a quick double check to make sure. Oh, wait, is this it? No. Oh, 6 count, 12 count, 6 count. I don't see any 12 counts. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and message about the cheese while we go get his other stuff. I said, hey, they're out of the 12 counts of cheese, but they have the 6 counts of original. We're gonna do frozen last, which is on that side of the store. Next up, we will go to alcohol. White Claw watermelon, White Claw black cherry. All right, one item down. Now we go to frozen. Next up, breakfast burritos. Maybe I should stick to Lowe's. Breakfast burrito. Oh, hey there. Next up, ice cream. He messaged back, he said, perfect. Here's the drumsticks. He wants the mini vanilla simply dipped. Mini vanilla simply dipped. And they're on sale. Wait, that's not vanilla. Oh, hey there. It's a unique feeling on Instacart. Yeah, on Instacart. When you find the item, I feel so accomplished. Next up, chips, which I think is aisle 7. Boom, I was right, it's aisle 7. I'm such a Lowe's Foods god. Wrong item. Item is too large. What? No, it isn't. Oh, he wants a 6 count. The app is right again, and I am wrong. Okay, boom, look at this. Last thing is cheese. We already know where it is. We just gotta go get it and then switch the item out. It's been 8.5 minutes. The goal is 11 minutes. It's nice and empty, too. Like, I kept running into other customers doing this earlier in the day. It's so much nicer. Wrong replacement scanned. What? Wrong replace. Okay, we're doing the light because those aren't scanning. Even though that one's closer to this one, but one, confirm with customer. It's in review. I guess I should have went ahead and put in that recommendation before I left the cheese so that he had time to accept it, because now I just have to stand here and wait like a bozo. Okay, ready for checkout.
If you have your Lowe's Foods Rewards, help is required for this item. Please continue scanning other items. Help is on the way. Your card has been accepted.
Hey, doing an Instacart.
Yeah, that first one. Yeah, one of them when you scan it won't work.
Okay, well, I'll see if I can confirm without. Yeah, I think we're all good. I guess I'll organize these better. Oh, I lost the employee. Where'd he go? I need him to check my ID.
Thank you.
Yep.
If you are finished scanning, thank you for shopping at Lowe's Foods.
All right. Boom, get receipt pics. That was the smoothest purchasing I have ever done for Instacart. And he lives just 8 minutes away, not too bad, 3 miles. His note says, do not knock, do not ring doorbell, this is in all caps, because of sleeping baby and several dogs. But I do need to get his ID for the alcohol, so if he does not answer the door, then I'll be knocking. I do be knocking. So like I said, the promotion should only apply to the base pay, which was $5, which means that I should be getting a $10 bonus for this, for a total of $21 once we complete 4 batches, if you catch him adrift. Very nice weather today, though. Good delivery day. I like this weather. Hey, good morning.
It's chilly.
I like it. I'm not complaining. Thanks.
Yeah. I know, I see the 3 of you. You're all fine.
Cool. You're all set?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, have a good one.
You too.
All right, one down. I got another one. Oh, what the hell? Food Lion, 54 items, $9. And then Food Lion, 15. I really just don't want to do Food Lion. Food Lion just kind of sucks. Well, first of all, that actually all went very well. That was a good batch. Even if it took a minute to get, I am pleased with that. Do I just go back to Lowe's Foods, maybe? I mean, it's right up the street. I think I'm just going to head back that way. And I'll watch to see if we get anything else in the meantime. Because, see, now that I've started, now I have to do 3 more, so I get the bonus. I have a feeling we're going to get 2 more kind of easily, and then I'm just not going to ever get a 4th one. It's so weird. There's so many Food Lion offers. Now, Food Lion, aside from Walmart, is probably the cheapest grocery store in the area. So I'm wondering if everyone just hates shopping at Food Lion, but they want the cheap prices, so they just all Instacart it. Because I've got 3 Food Lion offers available at the moment, or 2 now, 1 disappeared, but they're all a lot of items. 49 items. I'm behind a state trooper. I should probably put the camera down, but the YouTube grind comes first. And we're back at Lowe's. Luckily, this is not a small shopping center, so I'm also next to Dollar Tree, which I'd rather not. More Food Lions. I'm not even near Food Lion. That's the weird thing. Like, I'm also near Target and Office Max. Like, they're all right around me, but it just keeps sending me Food Lions like 20 miles away. There's one Harris Teeter offer, $16. The base pays $11, so I'd basically get a $4 bonus, I think, for that. However, it's at a Harris Teeter that's an hour away, so I mean, there's no reason to take that unless I just want to torture myself. Like, currently there's 5 batches, 4 of which are Food Lion. All different Food Lions, though. I really want more offers like the one we just got. The fact that it's sending me offers for stores that are an hour away tells me there must not be enough drivers over there. So yeah, actually, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna drive over. I'll keep the app open, but I'm literally just about to drive an hour to try and finish this promotion. And it's not even guaranteed that I will. Well, change of plans. Once we were basically halfway to our destination, an order actually came in. So I go to this Publix as well. It's just, we're basically in the heart of Raleigh now. So I had to drive through campus to get to it. So it took a while, but good news because it's like, it's literally 2 items. That is perfect. That's exactly what I wanted. And it's pretty close by, so. Okay, so basically they just want wine. Cavie Pinot. I don't know my wines all that well. I've had maybe 4 wines in my entire life. I think we're in the right spot. Wait, is this it? Did I find it? This is very small. Is this right? Let's see if it scans. Something's wrong with my phone camera. Why is my phone camera sideways? What the hell? It's like inverted. I think this is 1.5 liter. How much is this? 75 milliliters. Maybe they want the bigger one? Wrong item. It's definitely one of these. It's just which one it is. What is wrong with my phone camera? Look at this. It's like sideways. Let me restart the app. Oh my god, my phone is broken. Barcode not found. 375 milliliters, 2 liters. No, that's too small. Okay, it might be this one. Wrong item. Okay. Wait, it's just the wrong size. Do they want the really big one? Oh, there we go. They just want this massive one. Though my phone is still messed up. That's going to be annoying, especially to ID them and stuff. Alright, just one more item, which is in aisle 1 on the opposite side. Panera Bread Chicken Tortilla Soup Cup. Amazing order. Boom. Done. The goal was 5 minutes. It took me 6 minutes. Off to checkout we go. Good morning.
Driver's license or ID. There you go.
Thanks.
To complete transaction.
And I got this cart from right here, so I'm just gonna leave it right here. Let's not drop these. That would be kind of sad. Another really good order though. If all the orders I got were like this, it would be like so perfect. All right, they just live 6 minutes away, which is really not bad. And yeah, the thing with the camera happened, so I just couldn't scan her ID. I needed her help scanning her ID. All right, I'm just gonna stop here for a sec so I can figure out where to go next. Well, I just drove 15 minutes to Wegmans, which I've actually come here before for an Instacart video, because it said it would be 1 to 5 minutes for a batch. Super hot spot right now. I just got here. The hot spot's completely gone. It's now telling me to drive to Harris Teeter. So maybe I should have just gone back to Publix, but hey, if we get a Wegmans one, then we'll have like 4 different grocery stores for this video. So yeah, but now there's no orders here. And on the way here, I got no orders. Nothing came in anywhere. Oh, and it's also 9:30 now. I've been at this for, I don't want to say. I've been at this for 2.5 hours. I've made $25. So if I stop the promotion, That's making $10 an hour. Hopefully the promotion will make it worth it, but I need it to happen soon. Well, I just got a Wegmans offer, $10. I didn't get to see how many items it was. I was gonna take it, because what else am I gonna do? And I got, someone took it. Someone else stole it. Someone around me stole this Wegmans offer. Well, that sucks. It's 9:41 now. So I got up yesterday at 7 p.m., 6 p.m., and it's currently 9 a.m. I need to be awake today until about midnight. Basically, I need to get home so I can take a nap because I need to get up. And I really don't want to drag this out for 2 days, but I might actually have to go home, which is going to suck because I have currently driven 52 miles for this and I still need to drive more. And then it's almost been 3 hours. Oh my God. Nothing's come in at all from anywhere, but I really need to sleep. Just going into it, I thought like, okay, cool. $62, 4 batches, boom, 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 4 quick little batches back to back. I thought I'd truly be done in less than 2 hours and this would be one video, but nope. We're continuing. Yeah, I'm just gonna, nothing's gonna come in. I'm just gonna leave now. I'm going offline. All right, it'll be a while for me to get home, but see you in the next one.